Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video, and today guys is Blackbushe Abarth Meet 2025. This is going to be the first of 4 series I think they said this year in the group, so that means there's going to be 4 events taking place. But guys, I'm about 5 minutes out. I'm going to just strap on the head cam. Could have come out very wrong there, and we're going to head a little cruise down to the airport. We're pretty much there, so let's go. E10, nothing fancy. Woo, it's freezing. Damn. How are you? Alright guys, so it's about 7:15 in the morning. I'm getting ready to head over down to Blackbushe Airport, where we're doing an Abarth meet. It's going to be coffee, food and loads of cars. So guys, make sure you stay tuned. But first we need to get some petrol in this beauty, and then we're going to get a cold start first, and then some petrol, and then we're going to be on our way. So it is currently 3 degrees Celsius and 7:17 AM, and we are about to start the journey. Alright guys, E10, nothing fancy. Let's stick it in. Oh, that sounds weird. Let's stick it in. Is there any method to cheating the system with petrol, guys? I saw something circulating on TikTok a while back of people were getting more petrol per pump or something. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. Right guys, time to jump on the road. We've got an hour 15 journey ahead of us, and everything seems to be all good. Look at that booty, big fat butt. Let's go. Freezing. Damn. I think Paul is here already, guys. Hello. How are you? Alrighty guys, so I've got in here second. Unfortunately I was beaten by Mr. Hatton, as expected though. And apparently we're sharing the space today with another car group, so there's a whole lot of designated cones basically. We're not sure what car group is coming or what type of cars it's going to be, so it could be a very interesting day. And then obviously the airfield over there. It's going to be a beautiful day, guys. Stay locked in. First 4 cars are in, guys, and another one. Alright guys, so there's 5 cars in, 5 Abarths, and we're expecting 30 odd cars, so they say. So there's meant to be, when I last looked it was 29. I chatted to Paul, he says it's going to be 30, so it's going to be good. It's going to be good. It's just a matter of waiting for everyone to rock up. I am going to try and capture everybody's car coming in so everyone can see what their car sounds like, because I know that that's a huge thing for us car owners and petrol heads. We want to know what our car actually sounds like, so I am going to try. Here is number 6, guys. The Yamaha Gold. Morning.
Good morning. Well,
nice. Can't even get a finger in here. Jeez. That is tight.
that tells you nothing. That tells you absolutely nothing. Because you can get like 30 people say they're coming and 5 will actually show up, or you can get 5 say they're coming and 30 will show up. I mean, if people wake up...
Let me move the cone and then just pull up next to them. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too, man.
That short car there, huh?
Yes.
Yeah,
oh,
cool,
you found it.
Yeah, I did, yeah.
I didn't watch it this morning. I watched. Some military vehicles here. So sick. Guys, this is Mark in the cap from, he's on the channel in the community. This is his beast over here. Very, very nice. I love these side skirts, carbon. Very nice. He's done his car very, very nicely. Well done, Mark. Flaps. Diffuser. And this hefty lip. Proudly representing his country there, Zimbabwe. Very nice. Woo! Hello. Oh. Oh. Damn. Alrighty guys, so that is a wrap with the Blackbushe airport today. Sprocket to Abarth signing out, guys. I think everybody's left. There is just one more car left here, and myself included. But guys, what an awesome day. And for those of you who do follow me on YouTube and reached out to me today, thank you so much. It's quite surreal because for me personally, I've never really done something like this that I've just continued to do and not given up on. And yeah, Mark, Darren and Henry, please correct me if I'm wrong, but lots of names to remember for me today. Ooh. But yes guys, thank you so much for coming up to me and for saying hello to me. Like, if you guys ever do see me out in public, please always do feel free to come and say hello. Not that I'm like some famous individual, because I'm not, but for those of you who watch my videos, I really appreciate you guys sticking around and all the support. Like I always say, loads more to come. And to the AOC group, so the Abarth community, the guys who headed up the meet here today, thank you for doing so. And hopefully see you guys in the next one. As always, stay locked in. And if you haven't already, please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe. And you guys will see me in the next video. Lekker, bye as always.